Today, we're solving a huge medical mystery. Is your fatigue aging or hidden hormone chaos?
So, picture this. You're constantly exhausted, you're losing muscle mass, and your libido? Yeah, it's totally tanked. So, look at this. The symptoms for low testosterone and low thyroid are practically identical. It's the perfect disguise, right?
Because of this massive overlap, people spend months chasing low testosterone while entirely missing an underactive thyroid. So what's the deal here? What's the hidden mastermind secretly connecting these two completely different hormonal systems? Well, your thyroid is like an orchestra conductor. If it slows down, the whole endocrine network totally loses its rhythm.
The missing link here is SHBG. It's a vital transport protein that basically binds and carries your hormones around. When a slow thyroid drops your SHBG levels, your total testosterone directly plummets right along with it.
But wait, here's a massive misconception. This crazy hormonal chain reaction, it absolutely doesn't just happen to men. For women, even modest drops in testosterone from thyroid issues can trigger some seriously severe sexual dysfunction.
Sometimes the real culprit is actually your pituitary gland, which directs both your thyroid and your testosterone production.
The biggest takeaway here, fixing your thyroid can actually restore your testosterone levels completely naturally. It's a game changer. Now you might be wondering, why not just treat the low testosterone directly with replacement therapy? Because simply treating the visible symptom without finding the upstream thyroid cause is a dead end with harsh trade-offs. Okay, so how do we become our own medical detectives and finally crack this case?
You absolutely need a comprehensive workup. That means checking full thyroid function and testosterone markers at the exact same time.
This includes checking TPO antibodies to rule out Hashimoto's disease, which is a major autoimmune cause of thyroid failure. Providers like Paloma Health actually specialize in this, evaluating your entire hormonal picture rather than just randomly guessing. So, are you just treating surface symptoms or actually fixing the source? Don't let your hormones stay in disguise.